Hello everyone, and thank you for viewing today's webinar. My name is Andrew Underwood and I am the Dell EMC High Performance Computing Leader for Australia and New Zealand. Today I wanted to share our new Dell EMC Ready Bundle for HPC NFS Storage and provide you with some insight and guidance on where this solution is applicable within your customer accounts versus other storage technologies from Dell EMC, and how you can use this to help drive your sales attainment. Before we get started, I did want to thank our training sponsor Intel, who's helped to fund this activity. Data continues to drive the demand for high-performance storage. The flood of information generated by sensors, satellites, high-performance computing simulations, high-throughput devices, and medical imaging will push data repositories to sizes that were once inconceivable. But not all HPC customers have budgets or even requirements that store or generate large volumes of data. Many HPC customers building HPC compute environments between 6 to 64 compute nodes simply come to Dell EMC for low capacity and best price to terabyte network storage directly connected to their compute nodes. To meet the network file storage needs of HPC customers, Dell EMC has developed the Ready Bundle for HPC NFS Storage solution, also known as NSS version 7. It is cost-efficient, rock-steady storage with the right combination of features, performance, and scalability to handle a high volume of data requests, supporting up to 480 terabyte of raw storage space. Using proven Dell EMC technology, architected and optimized by our HPC product group, it achieves up to 30% better throughput compared to non-optimized NFS solutions. The solution comes in predefined configurations that are available with either front-end networking options of 10 gigabit Ethernet, 40 gigabit Ethernet, or even 56 gigabit FDR InfiniBand, as well as 100 gigabit EDR InfiniBand and 100 gigabit OmniPath architecture. To fit into small HPC environments, typically under 64 compute nodes, the NSS 7 is based on standards-based Dell EMC products and Red Hat's scalable file system, also known as XFS. This platform helps to give systems administrators, researchers, engineers, or customers who are looking to buy very small HPC storage footprint with a very well-known and accessible hardware and software platform that's readily supportable. Compute nodes in a HPC environment almost always require a common file system for applications and tools. A network file system provides a simple, robust solution for such a common file system. Storage solutions based on the NFS protocol are widely used for HPC clusters because NFS is simple, time-tested, easy to use and install, and has no failure modes and is a standard package in virtually every Linux distribution. These characteristics make NFS an attractive online storage solution for many HPC installations. The storage I/O system is one of the most important components that impacts how efficiently clusters run. For clusters running applications with lower I/O needs, simplicity, reliability, and cost may be the primary design factors as opposed to performance and scalability. The NSS is appropriate for customers who need an industry standard storage solution that is easy to administer, is reliable, and has very good performance with certain boundaries. On top of this, it also meets the needs of HPC customers who want to directly connect their storage network into their HPC network, assuming their compute nodes are connected with InfiniBand or OmniPath or high-speed Ethernet. But even in clusters with higher I/O requirements, administrators may prefer secondary storage repositories to keep user home directories, application storage, and long-term storage of the application data. For these needs, a network file system provides a robust solution. NFS is available with virtually all Linux distributions, therefore it is cost-effective and is easy to configure, deploy, and maintain. NFS is an industry-standard network file system that is commonly used in Linux environments. The NFS packages are native to most Linux distributions, including the Red Hat Enterprise Edition of Linux, or RHEL, which we're using in our Ready Bundle. NFS provides an access protocol that is easy to set up, configure and manage, and that is commonly used in HPC environments. The version of NFS we're using in NSS is version 3 and uses TCP as the network protocol. NFS provides a great solution when the I/O requirements of the cluster can be met by a single server, as opposed to our Ready Bundle for HPC storage with Lustre, where the I/O requirements are so demanding that they need a Lustre parallel file system and multiple storage servers in order to distribute that load. To enable our customers to install NSS storage appliance practically anywhere, Dell EMC provides a modular scalable design that is pre-configured, tuned and ready to go. The Dell EMC Ready Bundle for HPC NFS Storage solution provides reliable, cost-effective primary storage in a turnkey solution. NSS offers a simplified, modular approach to storage performance and scalability. The building blocks of Dell EMC HPC NFS storage solution include Dell EMC PowerEdge R730 NFS servers running Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system, Red Hat's highly scalable file system, XFS, and Red Hat Cluster Suite to provide the file access to user data. Depending on the customer environment, the R730 server can be configured with either Ethernet, InfiniBand, or OmniPath architecture. It also includes RAID 1 for the operating system for improved system resiliency, as well as a dedicated high-performance swap space, 2 drives connected in RAID 0, to improve file system checks or repairs. Dell EMC PowerVault MD3460 storage provides the shared RAID storage for 2 NFS gateway servers in a highly available configurations. The PowerVault MD3460 is an RBOD with 2 RAID controller modules in the storage array. The MD storage comes fully populated with 61 through to 10 terabyte nearline SAS drives configured in RAID 6 to enhance data availability and features 12 gigabit SAS connections for faster file transfers. Dell EMC PowerVault MD3060E is a 4U 60 drive dense enclosure expansion box that is used as an EBOD or a JBOD to extend the capacity of the PowerVault MD3460. The expansion storage units provide user data storage space by using 60 nearline SAS drives for the best dollar per terabyte. And sometimes that optimal dollar per terabyte is absolutely critical for departmental or workgroup HPC customers who don't have lots of funding, and compute is an absolute priority and necessity to their research. Generating the data through simulation and analysis is far more important to them than storing the data. There's no point investing in large storage arrays if you don't have any data that you've generated. That's where the Dell EMC Ready Bundle for HPC NFS Storage solution meets these needs. This HPC storage bundle was not designed for maximum throughput at massive scale, where customers seek a parallel file system like Lustre, and was instead intended for affordable departmental or workgroup performance computing users who would rather the build your own approach to HPC or are typically leaning towards a Supermicro, Lenovo or HPE JBOD, but we don't want to lose that customer business and we want to help them with their research. As you can see, this is for very small storage footprints at minimal cost. Looking at the slides on the screen in front of you, write speeds for this are around 2 gigabytes a second and read speeds are at 6 gigabytes a second. Random I/O reads peak at 18,000 IOPS and 6,000 IOPS for random write. It's really built for a small footprint, but it's still able to drive quite high throughput for such a small footprint. compared to other storage platforms in the market. As I mentioned earlier, there are numerous advantages of the Dell EMC Ready Bundle for HPC NFS Storage. Our NSS 7 platform is designed to meet the needs of HPC customers who do not require large capacity or massively scalable storage. These customers can be supported via our Dell EMC Ready Bundle for HPC storage with Lustre, as well as our enterprise infrastructure partner technologies from DDN or Seagate, or in some cases, our technologies such as Dell EMC Isilon. Dell EMC NSS 7 provides the best dollar per gigabyte capacity for fast scratch space requirements in a high-performance computing cluster up to 64 compute nodes, and has 4 validated configurations to help prevent and eliminate potential software and hardware issues. By integrating and optimizing compute, storage, networking, and software, we provide the best possible performance and scalability for the customer's smaller investment. Our validation on multiple options removes the need for in-field experiments and provides predictability to our customers. There is an abundance of information on HPC solutions that Dell EMC has architected, both internally and externally. I highly suggest starting out by heading to the Dell EMC Blueprints page on Sales Edge. Sales Edge should be accessible to both legacy EMC and especially legacy Dell employees. The blueprint and white papers for this bundle are also available on the Dell EMC HPC Blueprint page on the Public Tech Center HPC blog. In addition to this formal material, over 200 HPC enthusiasts at Dell EMC participate in the internal HPC interest list. You can subscribe to this list at any time by emailing hpc-interest@dell.com and ask to be added to the list. Hundreds of HPC enthusiasts, account executives, systems consultants, advisory systems engineers, and specialists from other domains all around the world, from APJ to EMEA to LATAM to North America, all work together to help account executives, systems consultants, engineers, whoever it is, to help your customers. And this is a great place to start and a great community. So, what's in it for you though? High-performance computing market is a $22 billion a year market, which is expected to grow to $30 billion in 5 years. The bulk of this market is built around computer networking, followed by software, storage, and services. And customers in this space are looking for end-to-end solutions or providers who can provide all of these components throughout the life of the system. As HPC can be quite unique to each organization, it poses a great opportunity to penetrate acquisition accounts or grow markets for Dell EMC that we're currently not in today. And remember, high-performance computing users can be found everywhere, from company-wide to university-wide, right through to departmental and work group within industry, academia, and government. So this HPC Ready Bundle is a great place for those customers in work group and departmental who don't have large budgets or don't have large data demands. HPC systems investment can start as small as $50,000 and go up to $100 million per customer, depending on the market and size. So we want to help you to capture this and exceed your quota. And our Blueprints program is what's going to get you there. But next steps: identify some HPC customers who are running simulations, data analysis, what type of workloads. Qualify those customers and opportunities. Engage your local HPC specialists. Develop a HPC account plan and review some of the benchmarks and white papers via the Dell EMC HPC Innovation Lab or the Dell EMC Blueprints page. And finally, engage with your customer and win. Thank you and good luck. And remember that quote from Michael Dell: at Dell EMC, we put the tools in the hands of the people who are going to solve the world's biggest problems. And our HPC Blueprints program is here to help you achieve that. Thank you.